What's up, everyone? Nicole here in my closet, and I just finished my J&L gym workout, and I want to talk about this right here, my skinny jeans. I hate the word skinny, but I love to wear these. These are my Frankie B's, and look at my jean collection, okay? I want to tell you that everyone's got a pair of skinny jeans in their closet, and if you don't, you're lying. You have those jeans that have been haunting you. You want to wear them, you spend a lot of money on them. You know those $400 pair of jeans everybody's got? What are they called? True Religion? I got about, I don't even know, I stopped counting after 40 pairs. But I'll tell you why I don't wear jeans. Number one, they kind of haunt me because when I was fat, over 200 pounds, I couldn't wear jeans. I was wearing circus pants. I went up to elastic. Okay, so if you want to be able to walk into any closet, any shopping area, and wear your skinny jeans, you do not want to miss my next webinar. My next webinar, it's my beauty webinar going down Thursday the 26th of this month. So you can go shopping and you can have your glorified closet that you want and wear your skinny jeans. So I want you to take the skinny jean challenge with me. Grab your skinny jeans, and I haven't tried these on in a while. Okay, so I'm going to be trying on my skinny jeans tomorrow. And if they don't fit, I'll let you know. And if they do, great. But I'm going to be doing the skinny jean challenge with everyone. Go to powhow, POWHOW.com. Join, it's free. Once you're in and made a profile, look for my e-gym. Look for my gym. I'm the queen of webcam workouts. Once you find that, you're going to want to find the skinny jean challenge. Or just email me. DM me. I'll send you the link. Sign up. It's only $9 to join, under 10 bucks. That's like a cost of a Starbucks. And I'm going to help you get back in your skinny jeans. Who's with me? All right, let's do this. I believe in you. It's skinny jean time. Peace.